world can be a dark place, and if you are a man, life will be very tough. Most men follow society's advice, and that directly leads them into a life without purpose and full of misery. Ask yourself, does society really want you to be the strongest and best version of yourself? The answer is no. In fact, it is quite the opposite. If you are weak, you are easy to control. That is why you have been getting weakened without even being aware of it. If you walk outside, 90% of the men you see are emasculated men. These men walk around being out of shape with low testosterone and without purpose. If you do not want to end up like most modern men, you have to block out most modern advice. Let's go over 3 modern things that are destroying your masculinity. Number 1. Blindly consuming content. Seemingly innocent applications such as TikTok has destroyed people's attention span in real time. If you are a man that consumes TikTok videos, you are likely a man without purpose. It's easy to lose yourself online by consuming excessive amounts of content and stimulation. Going on a dopamine detox can help you get back your ability to focus and not be a mindless zombie. After that, you can decide with a clear head what apps need to get deleted. For the apps you want to keep, set some ground rules. Make yourself earn the content instead of being a mindless consumer. This might be hard in the beginning, but eventually you will truly feel alive. Number 2. Listening to society. You can't be a warrior in the modern world while listening to society's advice. Forget being a warrior. It's very hard to be a regular dude full of life and high testosterone while listening to society. Men are 4 times more likely to end their own lives than women. Why? Life as a man is already hard, but with the feminization of society, it becomes much harder. If you constantly got told your innate desires are bad ever since you were a little boy, you might end up believing it's true. The problem, if you listen, is that you become like a lion in a zoo. The lion in captivity suffers a great deal of health issues and behavioral abnormalities. The modern man is no different. You lose everything that made you a man in the first place and might end up no longer even having the will to live anymore. Do not allow yourself to get wrapped up in society's spiderweb because it is hard to break free once you have lost your drive. If you understand this, you know that society had lost its credibility long ago. Merely questioning everything society says is no longer enough. You have to be skeptical with everything it says. Remember, no one has your best interests at heart except you. Number 3. Not taking lead of your own life. 100 years ago, an 18-year-old man looked like an adult and was considered a man. They had more responsibilities and morals than most 25-year-olds today. In the modern day, children remain under the influence of their parents for much longer. You will see 25-year-old men with soft bodies that act like kids. You have to realize that you are already a man, even if you have older guys around still being children. That has nothing to do with you. If you are not in the lead and can't make decisions for yourself as a man, you have to change things. Don't start blaming surroundings as you have allowed them to see and treat you like a little boy. Start seeing yourself as a man first, then you act on it. When you take the lead of your own life and carry yourself with confidence, you will start commanding respect. By the way, if you want to level up in life, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time.